Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Safari and going straight to Preferences, Privacy. Once there, make sure Prevent Cross-Site Tracking is on. This stops many trackers at the source. Next, click Manage Website Data so you can see cookies, caches, and local storage. You're taking the first actionable step. Inspect and pick what to remove. This matters because deleting blindly can log you out of sites, so review site names before removing data to keep essential logins intact. Once done inspecting, search for suspicious domains or unusually large entries and select them. You can remove single items to preserve site data you want, or choose Remove All to purge everything. That's faster but less selective. While Safari deletes caches and cookies, make sure to quit and reopen the browser to fully apply changes. This step removes saved scripts, tracking cookies, and local files that can cause unwanted behavior or privacy leaks. You finish by restarting Safari and testing sites to confirm the bad stuff is gone, and you can sign back into essential accounts. If issues persist, make sure to disable all Safari extensions and retest, because extensions often inject unwanted content. If that doesn't help, boot Mac OS in safe mode or create a new user account to isolate the problem. One key tip: if a site still misbehaves, clear the site's cache again and double-check extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.